In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery on an APC backups. The batteries in the backup is hot swappable, meaning that you don't have to turn off the UPS to replace the battery. For this example, we will be using a BE750G. You can find the model and serial numbers at the bottom of the UPS. The easiest way to replace the battery is to put the backups on its side. Then open the battery tray. Now remove the battery from the backups. Disconnect the two terminals that connect the battery. You will hear a beeping sound from the UPS. That is because the backups is sensing that the battery is disconnected. Get the new replacement battery and connect it to the backups. Then close the battery tray. And now you have replaced the battery in a backups unit.